Lamborghini has teamed up with Cervelo Cycles for a limited edition bicycle dubbed the Cervelo R5 Lamborghini Edition. The street bicycle is offered in a limited edition of just 63, which celebrates the automaker's founding in 1963, and sports a livery that pays tribute to the inventor SVJ that set a record for production cars on the Nürburgring in 2018. Cervelo R5 Lamborghini Edition is created to tackle the steepest uphill and downhill tracks of the Italian Dolomite Alps. Cervelo R5 is accessorized with only Italian-made components. Some of the characteristics include the Campagnolo Bora 1 wheels wrapped in Vittoria Corsa Pro tires, Campagnolo Super Accord EPS mechanical assembly. The new bicycle is already on sale and can be bought from the official Cervelo resellers and dealers. The official retail price is $18,000, which could get you a brand new car.